Hi and welcome to another Schoolbox tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at the student grade report. To access the student grade report, we're going to simply do a search for a student, and we can see here there's a quick button to the grades. We can also view the grade report through the student profile, and parents and students are also able to access these interfaces as well. Alternatively, we may simply browse the class list from our class page, and from there we can access a list of all of our students and click on their profiles, or we can add the student list component to our class page and access it from there. As you can see here in the class list, I've got the grades button here too. So lots of different ways we can access this information. Alternatively, we could even go through the due work calendar and click on the grades button. Once we are on the grades page, we can see an overview of all of the students' classes, and we can see here their current grade average and how they're trending. All of this information is stored across semesters, and we can simply click to navigate through those. To access the actual report, we click on the grade, and this takes us to the grade report for this specific subject. Again, I've got quick links off to change subjects or change the actual semester that I'm viewing. We can see the current grade average, and we're also able to see how the student is trending against the rest of the class as well. Scrolling down, we're able to see all of the criteria that this student's been assessed against in this subject, and a list of all of their assessments and their grades that they've received for those assessments, with the most recent comment and feedback viewable. So students and parents can also access this report, but there are policy settings that enable control of things like the grade average, the class average, and that type of thing. Just a note to teachers, I should say, that the actual grades will respect mark visibility. So if you create a due work item and set the mark visibility to hidden to students and or parents, that's going to affect those users' view of the actual grade average on this screen too. In addition to this, these grades each of these assessments is also going to respect the weighted grading system that exists in the due work and online assessment submissions. Finally, as a user, as a teacher or a parent or a student, you're actually able to use this comment section, and this is going to allow you to put down and post specific comments centered around this actual subject. So as a teacher, I might like to post a comment to the student's parent and or the student, or vice versa. I might just want it to the student, or just to be visible to staff. When I do post these comments, it's also going to send an email notification to those users to let them know that there's been a comment posted on this subject's report card. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope that's been helpful. There's more information available on our wiki at wiki.schoolbox.com.au, and thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.